Morning, y'all. We're outside. Okay. It is May. Get my boots on. It's May 13th, the day before Mother's Day. And of course, it's Mother's Day weekend, so we don't have Titus 2. We always take holiday weekends off just so people can, some people travel, some people, do all kinds of stuff. Oh, okay, glory God. I've been in the gym and doing squats, and I'm telling you right now, ooh is all I gotta say. Okay, I am getting myself ready to go into the garden because I want to soak my plants. We gotta water real good, so I'm getting my life together to go out into the garden. My children, however, are doing all that they can in their power to find other things to do. But no ma'am, Sam, Pam, and anybody else, we got stuff to do in this garden. Let's go. Now, I will say this. By default and by nature, I am not a natural gardener, but I enjoy being in my garden. I enjoy the solitude. I enjoy just being out. And at one of my schools, they had a plant sale, Mother's Day plant sale. So, of course, I had to buy plants. And I want to check on the mulch that we did. I still need to mulch, right? I still have got to get several more bags of mulch. I probably should go and do that this morning and lay some more fabric down and get the rest of the mulching done. But I've picked up some things from Harbor Freight, and I'm going to get them going. And then my back area where I keep most of my main stuff, my kids just kind of put stuff any type of way, and I don't live this way, so I do want to make sure that we clean that up as well. So I'm going to take my bag out to the garden. Take my harvest basket out to the garden as well. We don't have anything to harvest, I don't believe, but I'm just going to take everything out with me to the garden. And I don't like to have a messy garden, so I'm going to get Jackson out here with his weed eater to kind of weed eat some things. I do need to get some good watering done because, again, I've got, my peas, y'all. Okay, my peas. Barbara and Bill, I see all y'all. And it's a no for me. It's a no for me. Oh, my mulch looks really good, actually. Yes? What is that, my knife? Oh, I need that. Yeah, thank you. Hey, the mulch looks really good. We probably should go to Walmart and pick up a few more bags. Carmex first, yeah.
I can't believe you still have something in there.
Well, that's okay. I don't use a ton. I just need a little bit because my lips are dry.
My back hurts.
I don't like a lot.
Okay. Boy.
Oh, you haven't found out, Bob. We see you trying to get in this garden, but no. Okay. My beans have lots of flowers, and my these peas over here, I think I'm gonna have to pull all those because they're just not getting watered enough. But my other peas are doing well, so we're gonna get these pulled because they're not doing good. And Alana, I think we can put butternut squash over here. So we're gonna pull all these peas. Okay, I'm gonna put you guys on a table, and then we're gonna talk about what I have in my bag. All right, y'all, I'm over where my soil barrel is because I have another table over here. So what I have going, right, is I have this is a soaker hose. It's called a soaker hose. And so what I think you do with this is you connect it to the water source and you lay it, in a row so that it just puts a steady stream of water out to your plants, which my plants need a good soak. So I'm going to miser disc to decrease the water flow up to 75%. I'm going to get this out. It's 50 feet long, and then we do have an extender. Okay, so I have an extender piece that I am going to try to figure out if I can get. Now, this is not a water hose, but it is an extender piece. I mean, it's a soaker, so it's not a direct water hose. Bubba, wait, I need you to do my water though first. So this is gonna help. No, I don't want that. Okay. To let me get it set up and then I can talk to you. And would you bring, Bubba, will you bring me a trash can? Trash bag, I mean. Look at my flowers, they are looking really nice. I'm almost positive that's a strawberry plant under there. I've got squash coming out. Jackson, unplug the hose and connect. No. This in here.
Yeah.
Connects to the water. This piece here.
Oh.
Yeah, that goes to the water, and then you can put two connectors there. See what I'm talking about? Where's your sister?
glad that you're writing your book.
Thanks.
We have an accomplished author in the house.
And you can be one too.
Yeah, I actually decided last night I'm not taking that road.
Okay, take another.
I enjoy writing. I really do. But I realized that I enjoy
That
something.
ain't gonna work on this side. How did you get this on?
Huh?
How do you get this on?
Take it out. Just twist it.
Oh, I think that's okay.
No, the black part. Bring it to the. Where am I looking at? Yeah, that part. In the bucket. Alright, Jack. So I had this new idea for a store. All to the trash can.
Do I have gloves in here?
Where would I have gone for the
Can you go grab some for me?
I got Jackson on me right now.
Jackson, grab the gloves.
On your way back. Well, now I'd rather just carry the bag with me. There it is.
There's holes everywhere. There's holes everywhere.
It should be in this one.
Yeah.
Is it starting?
Yeah, down there.
Maybe it'll just take as well to get over here.
But see, I'm losing water there. I'm losing water. Jackson, cut it off for a second. Okay, we gotta go to Walmart. Gotta go to Walmart. I gotta find another extender.
There's a couple of these here.
All right, y'all, I gotta get to Walmart. Jackson, cut the one side off.
Okay, the other one back on.
Huh? Yeah, cut the other one back on. Just cut this side off. I gotta get another extender. That's thinking too strong.
I have another story idea.
Okay, maybe let's move it so it's on the other side of the kale, so it can get to the kale too.
Why is it just staying like that?
It's just locked in position. Or fix it so that it goes like this, Jack.
I think it already is.
Sister, come on.
Ma'am.
Yeah. Hold on. Gotta get Alrighty, you guys, so we have to make a run to Walmart. My extender hose is not long enough. And so I am going to go and grab another one. I got the 10-foot one. I'm thinking they might have another longer one, but the one I got is not long enough. Because we're, for the soaker hose, the water is running on the grass, and I don't need the water on the grass. I need the water in the garden, so I gotta replace it. And we'll still keep it because that extender hose, I use it on the sprinkler, and it works to get almost the whole end of that first garden. So I'm going to simply just get an extender hose, and while we're here, we're going to pick up another couple bags of mulch so we can kind of get the rest of the garden laid back out again. It's doing real well where I laid the first mulch, well, the second mulch on top of the first mulch after we put the fabric down. So I'm hopeful that putting more fabric down, and Jackson's going to come in the garden and weed a little bit so that we're not putting just, you know, fabric on top of the weeds already where it's as low as it can be. So that's what we're going to do now, but we're going to also drop a few things off at the Goodwill since we have them in our trunk so we can make room for the mulch. And yeah, that's what we're doing now, just making a quick Walmart run. Now come through this way. Just give Alana the end she needs. Okay, now come this way, sister. Text her. Tell her not.
Oh yeah, I see.
Go right in.
Big ol' try and get out of there. Acro, what are you doing? Acro, get yourself out the video. What's wrong with you? Your issues, man. Look at all the issues you have. Having all these issues is a problem.
There it is, y'all. Thank you so much for stopping by. Like the video, and we'll see you next time.